More pizzas. This is a folk tale, written and illustrated by Bob. Not long ago, in Asia, there were 5 or 10 pizzas in the pizza shop. On the hill, there was a shepherd boy who loved to eat pizzas. So he phoned his friend, let's go and buy some pizzas and eat it in the forest. His friend said, okay, but beware of the bad wolf. His friend loved to eat pizza too. Ooh. So they went to the pizza shop and took the pizza home and ate it until it was locked outside, so they went to sleep. There was a bad wolf in the forest. A shepherd boy and his friend woke up. Then the shepherd boy said, I want to eat pizzas again. His friend said, again? The shepherd boy said, yes, again. So they ate until there were 5 pizzas left. While they were eating pizzas, there's a bad wolf came. They ran home as fast as possible. They left their pizzas there. The bad wolf said, what a yummy pizza. Then his friend warned, don't go into the forest alone, or otherwise you will get eaten by a wolf. The bad wolf drank the water and ate the ketchup, but he was like, it very much, so he took it out from his mouth, and then his mouth went whack. Next day, the shepherd boy just woke up before his friend. He didn't listen to his friend because he forgot the balance. He decided to take a walk in the forest. In the forest. Then he went back up on the hill. Then he went back to walk his friend. I'm hungry. His friend said, what's for breakfast? The shepherd wanted pizza again. You know why. Why? Because I love to eat it a lot. So we took the pizzas in the shop until there were no more pizzas left. Then they took it to the hill with an axe and ate them. When they ate it again, the bad wolf came again. The shepherd boy took an axe and hit it. The wolf died. The shepherd boy had never seen the wolf again. The end.